great morning. It's 10 a.m. again, and let's start featuring another new product of Mary Kay. So it's still 9:56, and we still have 4 minutes to wait for guest viewers. So, by the way, it's a Holy Wednesday, everyone. So, continue to pray, to discern. Ayan. So, I'll be waiting three more minutes for me to start. The good news that I would share to you. So, kaway-kaway sa mga So, if this is the first time that you're gonna watch my Facebook Live, so by the way, I'm Catherine Lapay Galion. I'm Executive Senior Sales Director of Mary Kay Philippines. Hi, ma'am. Just wave. Good morning. You're the first time to comment down, and you will receive a gift from me tomorrow. So, I'll be raffling and being early. Ma'am Lloyds. A gift for you will be prepared later. Okay? So, 2 minutes more. Ayan. So, if there's first time na nag-watch sa video ko, so I'm Executive Senior Sales Director Catherine Lapay Galion. And if you have questions about Mary Kay products, I can give you my time, just PM and DM away. So, by the way, this is my bare skin. Ayan. So, I would like to introduce this powerful miracle set that is this is for us, 25 and up. So, who's with me? Please comment down. Ages 25 and up. Who's watching with me na ages 25 and up. Ayan. So, this product is really the best for you. So, we will discuss this later, and we will really demonstrate how to do it, how to apply in our skin, and also I would like to share the benefits of using this time-wise miracle set. So why miracle? Because it can do miraculously in your face. Ayan. So it's super nice product, bestseller of Mary Kay products. Okay. Who's watching with me? So, mga 25 and up ba dito? May mga 25 and up? Ayan. Ayan. So, we're still waiting for the viewers. So, it's happy Holy Wednesday to all of us. Ayan. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Hello, sir Saligan. Thank you for watching. Hello, John. Thank you for watching. I'm still waiting for others. Ayan. Malapit na tayong mag-10. So, at least, hi, Jonadel, all the way from Siargao. Ayan. So, 25 and up ka ba, Jonadel? And hi, Ma'am G. Good morning. So, this is my 10 a.m. habit. So, by tomorrow, the last fascia, I will have a raffle. So, grand raffle April 9 tomorrow after my sharing of products as well. Then Friday, no FB Live. It's Holy Friday. Ayan. Okay. Tanaw jud ko ma'am kay bilong ko sa pa ko sa 25 and up. Diba? So this product is really for 25 and up. So I would like to start na. So it's really finally here, and this is the 3D. So for those who are Merky user before, that's still using the 3-in-1 cleanser. So it was revised, it was improved, and it was made. The 3-in-1 cleanser was changed, was improved with this new 4-in-1 3D cleanser. Tapos age minimized 3D day cream and age minimized night cream. Ayan, naka-box pa siya. Good to be back. Where have you been? I'm Isay. And also, the time-wise, age minimized 3D eye cream. So, what we're gonna do is, this is really simple. Short video lang ito. So, what is this 4-in-1 cleanser? And why this product called Miracle Set? And what are the ingredients and what are the benefits? So why 3D? 3D 3D means tatlong D. What is the first D that we want to share to you? You will have this the benefits of this Miracle Set. The first D is it delays the look of the premature aging. So yung mga lines and wrinkles, kasi as we age 25 and up, there's a visible signs of aging. So it really delays the look of premature aging. And second is it defends against the second D, it defends against age-accelerating free radicals. So, where can we get these free radicals that we need to combat aging? Tapos nandito siya sa product. So, the UV rays, if you are exposed to the sun, syempre, it really age your skin. It will really age your skin. The pollution, of course, when you go out, the dust and the dirt, and also the lifestyle. If you have no enough sleep, if you're stressed, you're no exercise at all, the diet, if you drink, if you smoke, yan. And also the 3D, it delays, it defends, and delivers. What is that 3D that delivers? It delivers visible improvement on the multiple signs of skin aging. So remember, the 3D means delays, defends, and delivers. Okay? So later I will ask you the 3 key learnings that you're gonna get with this video. So I hope you will learn something from it and you can share it to your friends, neighbors lang kasi bawal, and friends sa FB. Ayan. So first is we're gonna use the 3-in-1 cleanser. So what are the components of the 3-in-1 cleanser? The 3-in-1 cleanser, I'm gonna really use this to my face. My purpose is for you to know how to apply it and for you to know the benefits. I'm not just talking about the benefits, but really I will apply this really to my face. So what is this 4-in-1 cleanser? We have two formulas. We have 2 formulas. It's the first formula is combination to oily skin, and the second formula is normal to oily skin. So what is this for? it cleanses. Syempre, 4-in-1 cleanser siya, diba? The first effect, the first benefits, it cleanses. It really cleanses your face. It removes the impurities, the dirt, the dust, and also removes the dulling of your face. Yung parang parang dull masyado, walang kabuhay-buhay. That's the thing. Then the second is, the effect of this 4-in-1 cleanser, it cleanses. Second, it exfoliate, because you will know later that when we apply this one, there is the microbeads. Ayan, you see, pea size only. If you really, can you see in the camera? There's the purple-like granules that will aid in exfoliation. So, so while discussing for us to maximize the time, ayan, so, so while discussing the benefits, we will apply this all over our face. So, because this is really the basic essential need for us to combat aging. So, don't settle for no regimen at all, because as we reach 25 years old, the signs, and you will really feel the granules when applying. Ayan. So, first is, diba, it cleanses. Yes, it cleanses. Then, second, it exfoliate. And it freshen. So, it also have a toning effect. It really freshens our face. And the plus. Why it's 4-in-1? So, yung mga excess, diba, pea size lang, profile ko talaga. So, the product is so concentrated. Pea size is really enough to cover up your face. So, I will gonna use my favorite Sonic brush. It vibrates. It has 10,000 bristles that will really clear off the impurities you have in your face. So, it is only for 1 minute. So, 15 seconds here, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, then 15 seconds here. So, you may include your nose as well. Ayan. So, it automatically sticks. So, what is the best thing in here is, it's 4-in-1. It's 3D, right? What is that 3D? So, please take down notes. Your key learnings about this video. So, what is that 3D? What is that 3D means? It delays, it defends, and it delivers result. And what are the effects of this 4-in-1 cleanser? It cleanses, it exfoliates, because may mga beads yan, na mga purple-like beads. And it exfoliates, it freshens, so it tone your face, and it brightens. So, diba? 4-in-1 na siya. It brightens your face. Ayan. So, 4-in-1. This is for 25 and up. So, after, we need to cleanse. Okay na siya. That 1 minute cleanse using the brush, enough na siya for your face. So, I would like to share to you the product ingredients. So, before using any product, diba, you have to be critical as to the ingredients of this product. If it's really beneficial to your face according to your need. So, by the way, Mary Kay is doing 500,000 tests before they launch the product to the market. So, they really invest on research as to be sure that the consumers, the customers, will really receive the best result and the quality result. So, ayan, di masyadong madumi yung face ko. Because, syempre, nandito lang sa bahay, walang labas-labas. But, meron pa rin. So, even if you're at home, because early morning, syempre, nagwali sa bahay, 'di ba? Naghugas and everything. So, may mga dust and dirt pa rin. Sana lahat makapalit. Yes, ma'am, of course. So, I can give you samplers if you want. Oo. I can give you samplers if you want. So, please be participative in my, ano. So, what are your key learnings? Later, I will, ask you, ha. Your key learnings of this, your key learnings of this, see? So, it really freshen up, it cleanses, it exfoliates, it's freshen up, and it really lightens your face. Ayan. So, 'di ba? Can you really see? Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the hearts. If it's your first time to watch, so please watch until end. This is so quick. So I would like to share to you the what are the ingredients, kasi others would say na ano bang mga components niyan, bakit ganyan siya, bakit mahal, bakit anong iba niya sa ibang product. So this product contains encapsulated resveratrol. So what is this one? This is a kind of antioxidant. So this antioxidant will provide antioxidant benefits, plus it helps promote more to have an even looking skin. Ayan. Tone up, and it really supports your skin to that natural collagen. So, yung antioxidant na yan, it really tone up and supports your natural collagen in your face. Ayan. So, klaro ba siya? So, that is encapsulated resveratrol. Diba? Nahirapan pa ako mag-pronounce. So, that is the key ingredients. And second is, we have this vitamin B3. So, what is this vitamin B3? It is the niacinamide that aids in brightening. Naglalighten talaga yung face mo because we have this vitamin B3 that is in lightening and brightening. This is a ingredient well known of brightening superpower that works double duty as an oxidant. So times 2 siya, 'di ba? Dual. So so fresh na my skin, so fresh. And also, the third ingredient is, hi, I'm back. So what is the third ingredient? Is anti-aging. It's age-defying peptides that that supports skin natural collagen and elastin for a more youthful and resilient look. O, ayan. So, ang dami palang key ingredients nito that you will really see the benefits of using this one. So, it's formulated with, especially this 4-in-1 cleanser, it's formulated with biodegradable beads from plant waxes and polysaccharides. So, more on product siya. More on biodegradable products. So, it will really not harm on your face. Hindi siya masakit, hindi siya, it really cleanses, it really smoothens, it really refreshes your face. And it also addresses anti-aging concerns. Ayan. So, what's the nice thing about this 3D cleanser? So, ang dami ko nang sinabi, no? So, you really know. So, before using the product, you really have to know the key ingredients, the benefits before using it. So, this cleanser, 3D product, it really cleanses away the makeup. So, might as well you use the makeup remover, but this alone can also wipe away the makeup, and also does not strip natural moisture. So hindi niya tinatanggal yung natural moisture na nandyan sa face mo. O, diba? Ang galing niya. And it leaves skin soft and comfortable. So parang Ang sarap. Ang sarap i-touch yung face mo. And it will gently use this twice daily. Pea-size lang. It will last for 6 months to 8 months regarding of how consistently you're using the product. And it also includes age minimized 3D complex. So super nice siya. And what are the things that included in the miracle set? So we've done with the cleanser. So you see my face. It softened my face. Ayan. So this is the product that I really first try in Mary Kay because this is included in the startup pack. Oo. So in the startup pack, this miracle set is included. So when someone magdating na yung mga startup pack, I can demo to you how to do it. So we also have this one. So, di ba, cleanse, 4-in-1 cleanser, it cleanse, exfoliate, freshen, and it brightens. So, kaya 4-in-1 siya. The second thing is the Time-Wise Age Minimized 3D Day Cream. It also have two formulas, the combination to oily and normal to dry. Ayan. So, for customers who are sensitive to SPF, we also have products kasi allergic ako sa mga SPF kasi parang mainit siya. I don't like it. So, we also have products the day cream with SPF or day cream with SPF. So, for customers na allergic siya sa SPF, so we can recommend na yung gamitin niya without SPF. And also, good product to use to prepare your skin before makeup. So, masarap i-apply yung makeup. Super, yung pag-apply, yung nag-glide agad yung makeup if you use the 3D moisturizer. So, this is day cream or day moisturizer. So, why day cream? Kasi before, we have age-fighting moisturizer plus the day solution. So, para mas matipid, walang maraming application. So, it was combined. So, the age-fighting moisturizer and the day solution, gi-combine nga into one product. So, para hindi na maraming i-apply. So, this one. So, this is, like that, very small amount lang. So, it will really last for 6 to 8 months of use. So, super tipid siya. So, and it will see visible result according to the study, according to the research, it will see visible result within 4 weeks usage. So, what is that 4 weeks usage? So, it's 1 month. So it's 1 month. So you can see visible results. So look at this is the day cream. So it also brightens your face. Ayan. So, diba, it will last for 6 months to 8 months. Then you can see the result after 1 month. So if you're gonna try this one, your beauty consultant will really definitely ask you 2 weeks, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months after using the product. Salamat sa support, kuya. Ayan. So, this one is 4-in-1. So, siya, madaling i-apply kasi 4-in-1 na, tapos day cream moisturizer na agad. You choose if with SPF or without SPF. So, we have the variety. And, we also have the night cream at night. So, syempre, hindi tayo maglalagay ng night cream ngayon because it's morning, diba? So, during night time, may iba ilalagay din na So, instead of applying after cleanser sa night, diba twice a day yung cleanser, morning and evening. Tapos ito, morning lang yung day cream moisturizer. Tapos, by night time, we also have night cream. Okay. But, for the step 3, we have this eye cream. As you can see, I'm 30 plus. Or even, you are 25 and up. There is really signs of aging, especially in the eye area. Ayan, if you smile, ayan. So, there is a signs really of visible lines. So, what you're gonna do is, you will apply the age minimize eye cream day and night. So, apply it in um, in the um, orbital bone na area. So, dapat hindi siya direct sa face mo. Tapos, you can do the dubbing. So, what are the extract of this eye cream? Formulated with algae extract. O, ayan, algae extract. Beneficial to the delicate skin around the eyes because our eyes needs more skin around the eyes needs more focus, mas sensitive siya. And also, what are the benefits of having this one? So your the skin around the eyes will look firmer, mag-firm siya as this quick absorbing cream, 'di ba? Madali siya nang absorb, madali siya madali siya nawala. Ayan. So quick absorbing yung formulation. It also brightens the eye, parang 'di ba? Parang nag-brighten up yung around the eyes ko. And it keeps it moisture 12 hours. Ayan. So this is so nice. This product is so nice. And this eye cream helps improve multiple visible signs of aging and fatigue, including the appearance of the dark circles and under eye puffiness. Ang galing naman, 'di ba? Yung mga under eye puffiness at saka yung mga dark circles around the eyes, na-address din niya. So you can have this one. This is a dubbing application, so that, and you can see the eye cream really absorbs quickly siya. So ano siya, madaling mag-absorb sa ano. Ayan. So, 'di ba? Ang galing. Ayan. So that yung ano niya, yung key ingredients niya is yung key ingredients ng eye cream is the algae extract. Ayan. So, 'di ba? Look refresh. Ayan. And also, by the way, I just want to share where is my night cream. So, this night cream, you are gonna use this night cream during at night, of course. And what is the key ingredients of this? It has a Japanese apricot extract. Ano naman yung Japanese apricot extract? To support the skin's natural collagen. So, we have the different by the way, the Japanese apricot extract is like a plant. Plant siya, apricot, plant. Green yung color na may red, orange. Ayan. So, extract niya that really supports the skin natural collagen. And it also delivers bedtime boost of antioxidant when applied at night, working while skin is most able to rebuild its reserves collagen. And it also non-greasy cream moisturizes for 12 hours. So, while you're sleeping, apply night cream. It's so beneficial. It will restores your collagen, your own natural collagen sa face mo because of the help of the Japanese apricot extract. O, diba? So, using this product, it the 4-in-1 cleanser, it exfoliate, freshen, then brightens. O, diba? Okay na siya. Parang nag-brighten up yung face ko. Then, after I applied the day moisturizer, the day cream moisturizer, you can choose without SPF if you're allergic to SPF, and you can choose the with SPF, as of course. So, we're done with the moisturizer, and we put the eye cream around the eyes. So, for those viewers na may concern sa eye, so you may consult your beauty consultant or me, if wala pa kayong beauty consultant, so I can assess your needs. Ayan. So, cleanse, exfoliate, um, freshen or tone, brightens and moisturize. So we also have we have another the last. So we need to protect our skin from the direct heat of the sun, from the free radicals, of course. So I will apply a little of this, the Honey Glow Finisher, because I can't live the day without this thing. So very small amount lang, tipid-tipid. Ayan. So, I apply a little of Honey Glow Finisher because it's have the lemon and honeysuckle extract that makes your skin more glowy. And the last is the foundation. It protects your skin from the free radicals. And of course, if you will have your cleaning session today, so the dust and dirt will eventually not penetrate to your clean skin following the with the skincare regimen. Magdikit lang siya sa foundation, not really eventually can penetrate sa face mo. So, if you wash off your face this night, you do the cleanser, the night cream, and the eye cream, ma-wash off lang yung dirt na nagdikit sa foundation. It really doesn't penetrate to your pores, to your skin. So, quick lang, swipe up. Ayan. So, quick lang, quick. So, this is really quick. So, for those kahit maraming time sa bahay and parang, ay nako, ang tagal matapos, ang daming i-apply. So, this is really for you. 4-in-1 cleanser na. Tapos, day cream lang. Then, you can add foundation, quick foundation to protect your skin. Ayan. Ano lang, madalian lang siya. With the use of the blending brush, super dali lang talaga mag-apply ng foundation. So, 'di ba? So, it gives your skin feeling bright. Ayan. See? Ayan. So, super quick lang, 'di ba? So, that is your basic skincare. That is your basic skincare needs. So, kahit nasa bahay, you need to take good care of your skin. Just a basic cleanser, the 4-in-1 cleanser, and the day cream. And we also have night cream during that night. And also put the eye cream. So, this is the miracle. And it will give you miracle result using these products, because the ingredient you'll see it's in botanicals, made of plant extract, that will really help your skin back to its natural glow. Ayan. So here lang, quick application. So sa bahay lang naman. So quick na para ano. So I super love this one. The lip and cheek stick, because ayan, parang check lang na mark. So, ano lang madali. Ayan, quick. Then sa lips. Ayan. Okay. No need of. Okay. So, while applying my, as if naman saan ako pupunta, dito lang sa bahay. But at least you're still beautiful. Even if at home. Okay. So, we have just a quick diba, sharing of the product so that you will not be bored watching. Ayan. So, for the viewers that really watch over my video till the end, you still have 6 p.m. to review my video and to be included in the raffle. To be included in the raffle, you need to type the 3 key learnings that you get with this with this tutorial, with this demonstration. So, I encouraging everyone, especially the beauty consultant, when you recruit this time, please review this video so that you can do virtual facial to your recruits when they receive the startup pack. Kasi yung startup pack, nandoon na lahat. Nandoon na lahat yung cleanser, moisturizer, day cream, night cream, at saka eye cream. So, hindi tayo binayaan ng mataas na ilong. So, ganito lang quick. Ayan, mataas ng ilong ko. Ayan. Just a quick makeup. Using the latte. This one, latte contour. Because, para talaga ma-enhance. Ganyan lang. See? Hindi pa nga ako nagkilay. Okay? So, I'm waiting, ha? I'm waiting. So, we are 7 minutes left and we can, I try to make it 40 minutes video live. So, first video live, parang natagalan ako kasi morning routine and everything. Parang umabot ng 1 hour or more. So, this time around, I'm making it 40 minutes, as quick as 30 minutes if I can do it fast. So, at least, I want to know if you've learned something about my product demonstration. For this, you can share this to your friends, to your kapamilya kaana, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So even with these times na naka-quarantine tayo, we can still really to share the beauty of Mary Kay. Kasi si LBC nandyan pa kahit lockdown. So we can ship the product to at the comfort of your home, free delivery, depende sa diba? So, we can still have our business for those beauty consultant. Ayan. So, nandiyan pa si LBC, hari ng padala, that will cater our deliveries. So, please share my video to your friends. Ayan. So, that is so quick. Having my 3D Miracle set. First is the 4-in-1 cleanser. So, please type your 3 key learnings with this video. And I will include you in the raffle. Yesterday, parang 2 lang or 3 lang yung nag-type sa question na require ko. So, they are the two that will be included in the raffle. And mind you, April 9 is a very special day for me. It's our anniversary. It's our 8th wedding anniversary. So, bongga ako tomorrow magbibigay ng mga raffle items. So, please review my video Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. What are the things that I require to be included in the raffle? So, for this time, I want you to type in the comment box the 3 key learnings that you have this morning during my product demonstration. I think yesterday I required you to I will just review the products that what are the products that I use yesterday's video. So you have to review. You really have to view. You have no choice. You have to review my my video so that requirements include you in the raffle, and you will not really regret if you're one. You will be included in my raffle. So for this time, I'm waiting. Please type, again, please type your key learnings. Ayan, magkilay muna ako. Okay, so my basis for tomorrow for the raffle is, you type in the comment box the 3 key learnings for today's video. Okay? Okay? Ayan. So, 3 minutes more, I'm waiting. Or, I have just low end connection, so I cannot view. Okay. Hello. Oh, I'm back. I'm back. There is poor internet connection. Okay. But again,